this video, we will discuss the exponential function, which is also a basic signal of the signals and systems. Regarding the definitions, the signal is in the form like x of t. You can write that is equals to a xp alpha t, or you can also write it as a e raised to the power alpha t. And the shape of the signal is always dependent on the value of alpha. So it is a continuous signal. So there can be three cases considering the value of the alpha is equals to 0, or it is positive, or it is negative. Suppose if the value of alpha is equals to 0, so if you insert that value in these equations, you will end up e raised to the power 0t. So the power of 0 will always be equals to 1. So it means that the signal is a DC signal. But if the value of alpha is greater than 0, mean positive value, and in that case you can write the equation. So if considering the value of a is equals to 1, like the amplitude is equals to 1, so e raised to the power alpha t, so it means that it is an exponential rising signal and the curve will depends on the value of alpha. The third case is that if alpha is negative, like the less than 0, then in that case we can write that equation e raised to the power negative alpha. So it is written as alpha t, but you can write e raised to the power negative alpha. So this is also a exponentially decaying signal, and again the curve depends on the value of alpha. So we have three cases, or you can say we have three properties. The first one is that if you multiply the unit step signal with the exponential signal, and suppose that the value of alpha is equals to 3, so that signal is a unit step signal, and if you multiply that unit step signal with e raised to power 3t, so you can write that exponential function using this curve. So if you multiply both of them, you can see that so unit step signal here, it is always 0. So 0 multiplied by anything, the answer is 0. So you will end up with the with this curve, so that is e raised to power alpha t multiplied by the unit step signal. So that is equals to this one. So like the curve looks like this. So it's starting from 1. Second property, if you multiply the exponential signal with the shifted version of the unit step signal, so like u of minus t, so the shifted version is the negative side. If t is negative, then you can write the unit step signal in this way, and if you multiply with the again e raised to power 3t, so here on the right side you can see everything is 0. So 0 multiplied by anything, the answer is 0. So you will end up only on the left signal. So the end result will be like this signal. Third property is that if you multiplied unit step signal with the exponentially decaying signal, so that is the unit step signal, and you can write the decaying signal in this format. So if you multiplied both of them, again here left side is 0. So if you multiply anything with 0, the answer is 0. You will end up only the signal which is on the right side. So if you multiplied again the decaying signal with the shifted version of the unit step signal, again you can see that the shifted version have nothing on the right side, 0. So the multiplied 0 with anything, the answer is 0. So it means that the decaying signal will be on the left side. The signal will be like this. I hope that you understand the exponential signal, but if you have any comments, you can write the comment in the comment box. And if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe the channel for more such informative video. Thank you.